Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. PowerPoint change landscape to portrait. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach how to change your landscape into portrait. So to change your landscape into portrait, right here on your custom, right here in your design, just click our design. Then here on custom, click on slide size. After clicking on slide size, click on custom slide size right here. After clicking on that, you can now choose a portrait mode right here. There you go. Click on portrait and okay. Then click ensure fits. There we go. As you can see, now it is now portrait. And to bring it back, just do the same process. Click on it, custom size, then click on the landscape one. Then click on OK. Then ensure fit. And a quick tip for you guys, you can also adjust its slide size for right here. You can do it on-screen show, ladder, paper, paper, or change anything. You can there's also banner, and you can also customize it if you want right here. If you want it. And there we go. Change the width, height, and all of that stuff. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And that's a quick tip on how to change the slide size on what you want. Hope you guys like the video on how to change it into portrait mode and back to landscape. Hope you guys like the video, hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.